Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So as of late, chicken sandwiches have been all the rage in the fast food industry. So we're going to make a chicken sandwich here at the Galley of the Sun. But you know us, we're not going to make a regular chicken sandwich. So in Alabama, they have a pulled chicken sandwich with an Alabama white sauce on it. We're going to do a take on that. We're not going to do pulled chicken, but we're going to take our chicken, marinate it, and smoke it and season it. And we're not making Alabama white sauce. We're sort of making a Southwest version of Alabama white sauce. We'll call it Arizona white sauce. So here we go. First thing we need to do is get our chicken ready. And this is crazy easy. We take our chicken thighs and we throw them here in a bag. And you've seen us use this stuff before. This is some Sweetwater Spice Company. This is the Trace Chiles flavor. This is a brine for the chicken. It's concentrated, so we're going to take a cup of water. Make sure this is good and mixed up. Put a cup of the brine with the water. Don't want to use too much because this stuff is gold and you really don't need that much. Then we'll put that into the Ziploc bag. Get as much air out of that thing as we can. And you can see all of our chicken is there, good and coated. And then that goes into the refrigerator overnight. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then we'll get on to the next step. Now we'll make our Alabama white sauce with a twist. Okay, so first of all, a couple cups of mayo. We love the Kewpie mayo, as you well know. So that's what we're using. In with that goes a half cup of apple cider vinegar. If you want a thinner sauce, you can put more of that in there and it'll give it a little bit more of a bite. In with that goes a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of cayenne, about a half a tablespoon of horseradish. If you want a little more of a bite, you can put more in there. Or if you fear the horseradish, you can leave that out. We're not afraid though. We're not afraid. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now right now, if I were to mix that up, I would have a fine, traditional Alabama white sauce. But as I told you, we're making an Arizona white sauce. So in goes a 1/4 cup of Hatch green chilies. Now we'll mix all that up. So we're doing this all the night before. One, because we're making these sandwiches on a weeknight and we don't want it to be too terribly complicated. Number 2, this is going to give that sauce a chance to set up and all those flavors to mingle and be fantastic. And also, it's going to give that chicken a whole 24 hours to marinate in that incredible brine. The flavors you get out of that Sweetwater Spice brines are just incredible. It doesn't matter what flavor you buy. Every one of them is terrific. There we go. I'm going to get some plastic wrap on that, put it in the refrigerator, let this set up. Tomorrow, we'll make those incredible sandwiches. See you then. So here we are on sandwich day. So got our chicken thighs out of the refrigerator, still in the marinade. We're going to get that drained off. We're going to dry them off and then get a rub on them and get them onto the smoker. Okay, we're not trying to get these crispy at all, so we don't have to get them fully dry, but we do want to get some of that excess moisture off of there. From here, just hit it with your favorite rub. I'm using some McCormick Grill Mate Sweet and Smoky today. So we'll get a decent coating. You don't have to go too crazy because 1, these aren't very thick, and 2, they already have a ton of flavor from the brine. All right, next step, still got the clean hand here. We're going to find 4 here and get our meter probes in there so we know when to take them off the smoker. The smoker's set at 225 degrees. I have applewood pellets in it right now. So the 4 that I'm sticking the probes in, I'm going to put those in the 4 corners of the grill so I have a good idea of what they're all doing. So all those probes are hooked to my phone, set for 170 degrees. It'll let me know when they're getting there. So let's get them on the smoker. Okay, as those are smoking away, I'm going to go out to my griddle and I'm going to fry up some homemade apple whiskey bacon, and we're also going to get some buns toasted out there. See you in a bit. Chicken is done. Let's give this a try. So we're going to take our bun. We're going to get a good dollop of that Arizona white sauce that we made yesterday. Yep, see some hatch green chilies in there. Good deal. We'll throw on some of our homemade apple whiskey bacon. We'll get a beautiful smoked chicken thigh, brine with trace chilies brine on there. Throw on a piece of butter lettuce. Top bun. Let's give it a try. I'm completely happy with that. That is fantastic. Definitely give this a try. Hey, if you like what you saw today, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. You'll find out when we put out every one of our episodes. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, fair winds and following seas.